Hey, gentlemen, let's keep it real. It's 2025. The dating game has changed. Women are sharper, more independent than they've ever been, and they pretty much have seen every what you doing text in the book. So today I'm going to give you the updated blueprint on how to be a great boyfriend in this new era. Not a simp, not a player, but a modern day high value man who wins her heart the right way. And believe it or not, I made this super easy. I put the entire Great Boyfriend Guide into a free downloadable PDF. The link's below this video. But before you grab that, stick with me here for just a few minutes because I'm about to break it all down with some truth, maybe a little bit of humor. So let's start with the number one skill, communication. Now, you might think you're good at communicating, but science suggests otherwise. The average woman, believe it or not, you probably believe this, speaks 20,000 words a day. The average man, just 7,000. So that's a 13,000 word gap per day. And I'll tell you guys, if you're not bridging it, someone else will, and it's not going to be her gay friend. Let's kill the bare minimum moves. Let's kill the midnight what you doing text that you think is flirty. To her, it shows that you've put zero effort in and you're still trying to keep her in your life. Now, we're done with that, guys. It's 2025. You're going to stand out. You're going to learn how to pick up the phone, drop a voice note, FaceTime her, and actually listen. I want you to ask questions. Say things like, I was thinking about what you said the other day. How's that going for you? You see, that shows connections, a grown man communicating. And here's another game changer, be present, not just available. When you're with her, be with her. Put the phone down, take the ear pods out, keep your eyes on her. Remember little things she says and bring them up later. She'll feel seen. She'll feel valued. She'll feel validated. She'll feel like you actually care. And that's because you do. Next, I want you to lead without being controlling. Women today appreciate a man who takes initiative, not someone who hits her up with, hey, so what are we doing tonight? Like you just woke up from a nap and have given zero thought to it. You say this, hey, I made us reservations. Hope you like sushi. If not, we can fight over ramen. You see, that's playful. It's intentional, but it also shows effort. Leadership in dating isn't about being bossy. It's about showing you care enough to plan ahead. And women love that. Now, I want to also talk about emotional safety. If you want to be a good boyfriend, you have to be her safe place. This means you don't clown around with her when she's opening up emotionally to you. You don't gaslight her. You don't say, why are you being so emotional? You validate her. You say, hey, I get why you're upset. Talk to me about it. Hey guys, you just locked in on intimacy and probably a whole lot more that's going to go miles for you. She doesn't want to be your whole world. She wants to be part of your life that's already in motion. And if you need your space, because everyone does from time to time, I guarantee you when you ask for it, she's not going to give you a struggle or a fight. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is consistency. You don't need to bring bars of gold and flour every day. You just need to show up every day. Do nice things like send a midweek text in the middle of the day asking her how her day's going. Refill her gas tank without her asking. Hold her hand in public. Compliment her when she's not expecting it. It's that daily rhythm that builds love, not that once in a lifetime firework. It's the daily, everyday thing. And if you can't visualize yourself doing it, then do her a favor and let her know that she's not the one for you. Now, you also have to support her grind, encourage her goals, have her back. Be her support. See, a confident man isn't threatened by a powerful woman. He's proud of her, and she feels that. And when there's conflict, because everybody argues, be a real man. Handle it with maturity. Don't do the ghosting thing, the silent treatment. Don't be a screaming lunatic. Listen to her side of the argument, acknowledge it. Agree with what you feel is right, and then present your side of the argument in a genuinely gentlemanly manner. So basically, keep your emotions in check. Remember, real leadership excels when it's under pressure. Say, look, I care about it. I want to talk this out. That's how you build trust. That's how you grow together. That's how you win today in relationships. So there it is, guys, the 2025 boyfriend blueprint. We're not chasing likes. We're not playing games. We're building real bonds. We're leading with intention. We're leveling up in every area, especially love. So if you want to lock in on this, download the full Great Boyfriend Guide. It's a PDF. It's totally free. It's in the link below. I want you to download it. I want you to live it. I want you to become it. And if this video helped you, do me a favor. Help me by hitting the subscribe button. New episodes are dropped every week. This is real talk, real tips, real results, no BS. And this is Dating to Win. Let's go get it, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for listening to Dating to Win. If you're serious about improving your dating game, don't miss an episode. Hit the subscribe button or go to youtube.com/datingtowin25. Good luck out there, and we'll see you on the next episode of Dating to Win.